Now introduction of pH scale. What is pH scale? Potence of hertz. Okay, that scale is starts from 0 to 14. 0 to 7 is acidic nature and 7 to 14 is basic by nature. Lesser the value, below 7 is more stronger is the acid. Higher the value, above 7 to 14 is more stronger is the base. Okay, now see here, this is called universal indicator, or this is called the color chart. With this, when we have to check a pH of any specific substance or a solution, we can dip a pH strip in that, and the change in pH strip color we can observe it and we can identify. Now see gastric juice. Gastric juice is pH is 1, means very acidic gastric juice. To break the food, gastric juice should be acidic by nature. Now we can see pH 1. pH 1 is shown here. Okay. Now we have lemon juice, pH 2. Lemon juice is also kind of acidic, pH 2. It is showing this color. Okay, yellowish color. Then pure water, pH 7. It is neutral by nature. Then milk of magnesia, pH 10. Now we can see the color change. What is the color change? It's happening here. So which is matching to the color chart, pH 10. Okay, here this one. Now we can see pure water pH is 7, so color change is happening here. This color is matching with this particular. Now we can see here sodium hydroxide is very strong base, pH is 14. Okay, so now we can see here, see pH 14. pH 14 is purple color, dark violet color, so the pH is basic. Now we can see the color range. It starts from red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple and violet, like this. So from the strong acidic to neutral to strong base, it is like that, it is moving. Okay, now lemon juice also we can see this is the pH. Okay, so all the solutions can be pH strip, we can taste it, and by seeing the color change in the color chart we can identify what is the pH of the given solution. I told you the same activity can be done by pH meter also. Now we have a table here. Let's see now how the pH is. Saliva before meal. Saliva before meal, color of the pH paper is, if it is turning green, means the pH value is approximate 7.4. 7 above 7 value is called basic. So weakly basic we can say, close to 7 it is. Then saliva after meal, it is turning yellow. It means the approximate value of pH is 5.8. 5.8 means acidic pH. Okay. Then lemon juice. Lemon juice is showing orange in color on the pH strip, that is 2.5 means it is strongly acidic. Okay. Then colorless aerated drink. Any kind of carbonated drink which is colorless, when you observe the change in pH strip color, green color it is giving, means pH is 6. 6 is also close to 7. So we can say a substance is not stronger acidic, but yeah, it is acidic in the nature. But carrot juice, it is showing pH strips color yellow, so approximate value is 5.6 means pH is acidic again. Okay. Then coffee is also showing yellow color, means pH is 5. 5 pH is acidic pH, so coffee, tea all are acidic by nature. Tomato juice, it is sour to taste and orange color is obtained in pH strip, so pH value is 4.1, which is kind of acidic. Okay. Then tap water is green in color, the pH strip it is showing 6.9, which is again close to 7, so weakly acidic nature. Okay. Then 1 molar NaOH. 1 molar NaOH means, what is 1 molar? Molar means number of moles of that particular solute dissolved in 1 liter of water, that is called 1 molar. Okay. So 1 molar NaOH solution is giving blue color. pH is 13 means highly basic, it is a strong base. Okay. Then 1 molar HCl, same way HCl solution also, a strong HCl solution is prepared, and pH strip is showing red in color and pH is 1 means kind of strongly acidic. Okay. So strongly acidic and strongly basic. So pH range starts from 0 to 14, 0 to 7 acidic, 7 to 14 basic, 7 is considered as neutral. So close to 7 values are weakly acidic or weakly basic. Before 7, close to 7 values are weakly acidic. After 7, close to 7 values are weakly basic. Okay. Now, importance of pH in everyday life. How it is important? Let's see now. pH range of human body is 7 to 7.8. Acid rain. All of you are familiar with acid rain. What is acid rain? Acid rain is some of the industries are emitting sulfur dioxide. That sulfur dioxide, when goes in the atmosphere, that is causing air pollution. Okay, and what is happening? The clouds which are falling, that when it combines with water, like moisture, water vapor, so sulfur dioxide will be converting to sulfurous acid, and when it falls to particularly in the form of rain, that rain is acidic in nature. Okay, and because of acidic rain, what is happening? The crop will get destroyed, buildings, monuments will also get corrosion, and because of that, you would have heard about the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the one of the monument which is made with white marble, but it is losing its color now and it is turning yellowish. Why? Because of the acid rain only. And why the acid rain is more there, why the prominent acid effect is there? Because there was a refinery in Mathura. The refinery always emitting side product as sulfur dioxide, and that sulfur dioxide is highly polluting to that environment. So now that completely banned, and now all the industries are instructed such a way that any kind of pollutant gas should not be left in the environment through their chimneys. It should be treated at the last, and it will be like there are different precipitators, so it will be converted into form of precipitate, and that precipitates also can be used as a raw material for any other industry, and that is having another business. And as well as what happens, the environmental pollution is decreasing by that. Okay, so air pollution can be decreased by precipitators, and this kind of controlling can be done. So what happens when the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6? Okay, so the rainwater is acidic in nature. When it flows in river, it lowers the pH of river water. What happens? The aquatic animals, aquatic plants will get affected by that pH. Their body is very sensitive, very fragile, and they are not they can survive only inside the water, and they are not used to survive into this kind of pH, so acidic pH. So what happens? They may die. The aquatic animals which are very fragile like fishes and all, or aquatic plants also can get affected. The life will be very small. The aquatic life is drastically affected due to acidic nature. Okay, not only that, when it's this type of rainwater is absorbed by plants, it affects their growth, and the fruits and flowers also will get affected. The fruits and flowers which are forming, you can see here, they had shown you some aquatic animals, aquatic plants, some of the other plants also where the soil is absorbing the acid rain, and because of that the plants is not growing it successfully, and the fruits and the flowers and the other growing elements in that will get affected. Okay, so this all air pollution and acid rain is getting affecting the crops as well as aquatic life also. Okay, so pH is very important, as well as importance of pH in tooth decay. How the tooth decay it is important? Tooth decay starts when pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. Now 5.5 means acidic pH. So what happens? Tooth enamel is made up of calcium hydroxyapatite. Okay, now a crystalline form of calcium phosphate. So in presence of, this is a basic in nature, in presence of acidity, what will happen? The bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. So before sleeping, person has to brush necessarily, otherwise what happens? That mouth will be more acidic, saliva will be present, and because of that what will happen? The pH of the mouth will be acidic, and that will be causing tooth decay. Okay, so using toothpaste which are generally basic in nature for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess acid which is present in the mouth and prevent tooth decay. Okay, so these are the remedies which can be preventing the